Hello guys, welcome to this channel, and for this video, I'm going to teach you how to create Gmail account. Just follow the simple step-by-step process till the end. So, let's start by opening the Gmail app first. Click the account icon on the top right corner of the app. Then, click add another account. After that, click the Google icon. Then, it will check the info first. Let's wait a little bit. So here, it will show this page, and all you need to do is click the create account button. Then, you will be asked if it is for personal use or for business. It's up to you what you choose. I'll just choose for personal use. Then, you need to put name here. Just input anything you like. Then click next. In this section, you need to put your birthday and gender. You can choose what you prefer. Then click next. Then, you will be asked to pick a Gmail address or create your own. You can choose from the random generated address, and you can also create your own. Just click this. Just put whatever you want. Then click next. After that, you need to create your password. Click next when you're done. In creating passwords, by the way, you need to have numbers, letters, and other symbols in order to create one. After that, just click next. Then click next. Just scroll down and click I agree. Then done. You have now a Gmail account. If you find this video helpful, feel free to comment, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to share this video. Thank you.